This is the lumber for one sawhorse. These three pieces are going to be the top. They're 32 inches a piece, which is 1 2x4. Then we have 4 legs. They're 29.5 inches each. And we've got a little 15-degree angle cut on them where they're going to contact the floor so they sit nice and flush with the floor. There's also a couple little pieces here at 16 inches. They've also got a 15-degree angle on them. 3 32-inch pieces are going to make up the top piece, which is just going to be an I-beam. We're just going to put a mark in the center of these two, turn it up on its axis like this, and get a horizontal mark in between both of them. And for the center piece, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to make a mark at 3/4 of an inch in, and this will be a vertical mark up and down. Then we'll just lay one board down, line this mark up here, put the other one on top, line up the mark, and there you have the I-beam. And we're just going to turn it around, line up the mark, shoot the other end, put the other one on over here. Pretty good. Now we just got to put the braces on. Again, there's going to be a 15-degree angle. I'll slide the first one up into place. And we'll just double check real quick to see this is all even and looking pretty good. They're both sitting right at 8.5 inches. That looks good to me. Instead of putting the braces on the inside, put them on the outside.